Hi everyone, this is Shravan. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is regarding apprentices in SBI notification. So engagement of apprentices under the Apprentices Act 1961. Okay, advertisement number this one, and online registration starts from 20th November 2020 to 10th December 2020. The tentative online examination will be conducted in the month of January 2021. Okay, so these are the important dates, and tentative examination in the month of January 2021. Okay, and these are the vacancies which are mentioned here. Okay, so just you observe this here. Andhra Pradesh having total 620 vacancies. Okay, and when it comes to Telangana, here the vacancies are around 460. Okay, so just you can go through this particular vacancies which are related to individual states. Okay, just you can go through this particular section, and here also they mentioned clearly, and training seats district wise also they mentioned here in a clear way. Which you can go through this particular thing. For example, if you observe Andhra Pradesh, okay, so the training seats are related to Srikakulam, Vizianagaram, Visakhapatnam, like that. They individually mentioned in state wise. Okay, so and next when it comes to age, so this is the minimum age is required for this exam is 20 years and the maximum 28 years as on 31st October 2020. Okay, and so reservation, these are same for all the notifications. Okay, and educational qualification, so graduation. Okay, so graduation from a recognized university and institute, and the duration of training is 3 years. Okay, so after completion of this 3 years training, just you should appear for this IIBF examination. This is a Indian Institute of Banking and Finance. Okay, these are the junior associate of Indian Institute of Banking, and this is a certified associates of Indian Institute of Banking. Okay, so these are the certifications which are very helpful to promotional growth in their job opportunities. Otherwise, these certificates are helpful for further jobs in IT companies and any other sectors which are related to banking and finance. Okay, so each and every organization requires banking and finance section. So in that, if any organization will require banking and finance related jobs, so the people which are prioritized by these certifications. Okay, when compared to normal people. Okay, so this can be appeared after completion of this 3 years apprenticeship program which associated with SBI, right? So and the stipend benefits, these are for first year the people will get around 15,000 per month. For second year the people will get around 16,500 per month, and for third year the people will get 19,000 per month. These are the stipend structure for SBI apprentices. Okay, and one more thing, the apprentices are not eligible for any other allowances and benefits. Okay, and selection process, we have two tests here, online written test and test of local language. So once you clear online written test, those people can eligible for this test of local language. Okay, so online written test comprises 4 sections. One is general and finance awareness, and general English, and quantitative aptitude, and reasoning ability, and computer aptitude. So each section we have 25 questions and marks 25. So total 100 questions, 100 marks. So sectional cutoff also there, sectional time cutoff. Okay, so for each section 15 minutes we have. Okay, total 1 hour time duration. Okay, even negative also there. So 1/4 of the marks assigned for the question will be deducted for each wrong answer, right? So 1/4 negative mark also there for this particular examination. And these are the test center for test individual state-wise test centers are mentioned here. Once you go through that, and after that, so this test of local language, so whoever qualified written test, those people will allow to this particular test of local language. Okay, just you can go through this particular section, how it will be there, test of local language. Just you can go through this particular section, right? And one more thing, so this application fee, so general and OBC and economically weaker section candidates having 300 rupees application fee. For SC/ST PWD candidates, there is no fee. Okay, and these are some general information, so instruction. Just you can go through this particular thing, and these are the useful websites. Just you can go through that. So here we have around 4 to 5 websites are also there. Just you can go through go through these particular websites regarding online application form, otherwise any instructions, and if you have more information, just you can go through those websites. And this is regarding SBI apprentices. Okay, so stipend is this is good amount, and when compared to IT related jobs also. So after that you will perform this IIB exam. So if you clear this certification, so you will get more opportunities in banking and finance sectors. Okay, so this is related SBI apprentices notification. So for more job updates, subscribe my channel and share this information to your friends. If you have any doubts regarding this particular notification, please comment on comment box. Just like the video. Thank you.